Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Western Union account. First of all, open your web browser or the Western Union app. Type in westernunion.com or tap on the app icon to get started. Next, click on the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password. Double check for accuracy. Then click sign in. If your details are correct, you will be direct to your account dashboard. Now you are all set to access services like sending money, tracking transfers, and managing your profile. Forget your password? No worries, just click on forgot password and follow the steps to reset it. Thanks for watching. Logging in is quick and easy with Western Union.